when I turned 18, which was not long ago, a week ago or something, I just started to think like, hey, do I want to like do something about it, about being 18? And I said to myself, well, I should stop talking shit about people because I want to like heighten or get my self-esteem to be better because I'm 2 years ago I started to like fix my self-esteem so it's going up, up, up. But one thing I didn't stop with was talking shit about people because it was so hard to stop because my friends talk shit and I talk shit and my family talk shit and I saw in work that they talk shit and people talk shit about other people because they just do that because it's like a bad like circle that it is like that. And it was so hard for me to stop like doing that because every time my friends like said something about the girl or something, and I just said like, hey, you should not like say that about the girl because if she wants to like wear a very short skirt so she looks like a whore, then let her do that because it's not our problem. I just want to stop talking shit about people because I don't feel good about myself. I feel like someone that is not secure about themselves and it's not and someone that's not grown up enough. And I want to feel grown up because I don't want to be that grown up that like mature no that grown up that is like talking shit about other people because I've seen grown ups talking shit about people like teenagers does and it's like horrible and I don't want to be like them. I just want to be someone that thinks about it like twice. I feel like I don't like myself when I talk shit about people and when I act like really really immature to other people. And yeah, so I have to train that. I have to train to not like judge people, and if I do, I would like think twice and say like, well, and just think about something positive with that, and like, hey, she have a short skirt, and I mean, she looks like a little whore, but that skirt is very nice. The color is matching her eyes or something. Just think about something positive and it makes me to a positive person.